What's going on, guys? Got another project. This is a 2006 Nissan Amanda. It's got the V6 in it. Engine currently through a rod plumb through the bottom of the oil pan and the engine block and locked up. Let's see if we can get this hood up here. So it's got the 5.6 V8. You can tell by all the sludge and stuff that the engine hasn't been properly taken care of. I'll get some more pictures of the oil pan where the rod was thrown through it. I guess he was doing 100 miles an hour with it and through a rod. But I ordered an engine for it, and wouldn't you know, they shipped the wrong engine. This is a V6 engine. Sorry, the hood closed. Hood shocks ain't no good. This is a V6 engine. It must be out of a Pathfinder. And I was cruising to the house with it, and I looked in my rear view mirror and I said, wait a minute, that's a V6. And I was like, it don't have a plastic intake on it. Duh. So it dawned on me it's a V6. So I got to call the salvage yard back, and he's got to get hold to the other salvage yard to get me the right engine. I've already talked to the trucking company, and they said just hold the engine until they hear from the shipper, and they're gonna have to pay for the shipping charges and then send me the right engine. This one's even got like a little nest in there. Hope he ain't still in there, but oh well. Anyway, wrong engine for the 2006 Amanda. This truck was purchased for like $400 with a blowed engine. Can use the detailing, some cleaning up. It's got the back third row seat, rear air. Pretty decent old truck for $400. It does need a tail light lens. It's been sitting since 2016, so hopefully the fuel pump is still good. I guess it had went to a towing service. It was on its way to the scrap yard though, and a friend of mine purchased it and planning on fixing it. It needs a front bumper. It's been pushed in. If I might try to push something with it or ran into something, looked like, yeah, because it cracked the plastic. I wish I can get a closer look at the oil pan, where it threw a rod at. But I'll get some more pictures of that. I get it jacked up. But anyway, next project, wrong engine. As soon as I get a chance, I get some more info on it. You guys will see it first. Till next time. So after killing a bee's nest up on this thing, I decided to go ahead and go up under and show you the hole in the motor. I just seen another one. We're over here somewhere. We're killing everything. Everything with wings. So anyway, let me show you the hole in the motor. Hope the bees don't come back. I am allergic to bees. Anyway, there's your hole. Right there. Big hole through a rod there. You can see the chunk of the rod hanging through the block. And I found a rod laying on the ground after we unloaded it. Well, I didn't blow it It didn't blow it through the oil pan, it blew it through the block. So that's what happened to it. See if I can find that rod. Well, I couldn't find the broken rod that fell out of the oil pan, so as you can see, it did throw a rod and the motor's toast. So anyway, when I get the new engine, we'll do a complete engine removal. I'll show you guys how the engine comes out and goes back in, and we'll fire it up and we'll hit run. So just stay tuned, and that's it. Like, share, and subscribe.